Unveiling the sound of independence. Indie bands explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey, where today we'll dive into the vibrant world of music vocabulary. Specifically, we're going to unfold the meaning behind the term indie band. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English terms, stay tuned as we explore this fascinating topic. The word indie is actually an abbreviation of independent. It refers to a style of music produced independently from major commercial record labels. An indie band, therefore, is a music group that has decided to produce their music independently. What makes indie bands special is their DIY ethic, which often means they have a hands-on approach to their music, from writing their songs to managing their tours. Indie bands come in many shapes and forms, but they share some common characteristics. They're often known for their authenticity and originality, choosing to create music that is true to their style rather than what is considered mainstream. Indie bands also tend to have a closer, more personal connection with their audiences, often interacting directly with fans through social media or at live shows. Understanding the concept of an indie band is not just about music. It's about recognizing and appreciating the value of independence and creativity. These bands represent a culture that values artistry over commercial success, and this often resonates with people who are looking for something different from the mainstream music industry. To put this into context, let's consider a few examples. Bands like Arctic Monkeys and Florence and the Machine started as indie bands. They gained popularity for their unique sound and personal engagement with their audience, which are key elements of the indie music scene. And that's a wrap on indie bands. We hope this video has shed some light on the intriguing world of independent music and what it means to be an indie band. It's a term that signifies more than just a genre. It's a movement, a philosophy, and a way of approaching music with passion and integrity. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting English language topics soon. Keep practicing, and don't forget to enjoy the music along the way.